What's the meaning of C? C. C.
C. C. The letter C has multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to the third letter in the English alphabet or to a musical note. In computing, it is a popular programming language that was developed in the 1970s and is still widely used today. C is known for its efficiency, flexibility, and ability to work with low-level system resources. It is used to create operating systems, device drivers, embedded systems, and other software applications. Overall, C is a versatile and important concept in various fields, including language, music, and technology.